How do you know when your property might seriously need its plumbing just overhauled and replaced? If you're keeping snacks and drinks under your sink for your plumber because he comes that often, you better think about getting your entire plumbing system replaced. I saw that in one of the plumbing Facebook groups, thought it was hilarious. Their plumber here looks to be a fan of strictly Coke products. We got the Minute Maid, the A&W, the 7-Up, the Diet Coke, and the Canada Dry. But he's pouring one of those DCs with that Tito's and maybe some of that Gatorade if the clog's especially bad. Let's remember, it could be the landlord too who's servicing that, and he just wants a nice refreshment while he's visiting his property. But as always, follow me if you want more real estate content, maybe a little gym content, and definitely some golf content.